Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a pre-owned 2017 Kia Sportage LX all-wheel drive in bronze, listed at $20,995. Starting at the front here, we have a gloss black grille with chrome trim, as well as automatic bifunction projection headlights and an acoustic laminated windshield. Moving on, this vehicle features 17-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes and high-performance shocks. This model also features power heated side view mirrors, keyless entry, privacy tint glass, and roof rails. Moving toward the rear now, the Sportage comes equipped with a rear window defroster, rear window wiper, a rear spoiler, and a spacious trunk. Some of these safety features with this vehicle include electronic stability control, downhill brake assist, and impact sensing door unlock, as well as hill assist control, vehicle stability management, and a security system. Moving on inside now, we have a beautiful cloth interior with 60/40 folding rear seats for extra cargo space, as well as rear climate ventilation. Looking toward the front, this model includes power windows and locks, steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, as well as drive mode select with Eco, Normal, and Sport drive modes. Some other great features include heated front seats, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless technology, and a Rearview camera on a 5-inch LCD display. This model also includes both USB and auxiliary input ports. Heading under the hood now, we have a 2.4-liter GDI 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed Sportmatic transmission.